In a quiet town nestled between the hills, there lived a curious moth named Mimi. One day, Mimi found a peculiar object that shone bright and hummed softly. It was a radio. Mimi was captivated by its light and sound. She would dance around it every night, her wings fluttering in rhythm with the music. But little did she know, her dancing was causing chaos in the sky. The air traffic controllers, who were responsible for guiding the planes safely, found it difficult to pick up the essential signals due to Mimi's dance. The planes, unable to communicate, began to swerve, causing concern among the pilots and the people on the ground. One night, a wise old owl named Oliver, who lived in the tallest tree, saw Mimi dancing around the radio. He decided to approach her and explain the situation. "Mimi," he said, "your dancing around the radio is causing trouble for the planes. They can't communicate properly, and it's putting lives at risk." Mimi felt remorseful. She didn't realize the impact of her actions. She promised Oliver to stop dancing around the radio and instead use her light to guide the lost moths in the night. From that day forward, Mimi learned the importance of considering the unintended consequences of one's actions. She realized that sometimes, what seems harmless to us can have a significant impact on others. And so, Mimi's story serves as a reminder for us all: think before you act, for the consequences, though unseen, can reach far and wide. Always be mindful of your actions and their impact on others, for we are all connected in this world.